Hello guys, today we learn about G plus 5 with a swimming pool in the Staadpro software. Now we should open the Staadpro software. Here we got it the profile like this, interface like this, and click on the new project here and go to the spacing. Here we can write as a building with a swimming pool. And next click on here. We should lengths and force units will be meters and kilonewton meters, and click on OK here and go for the open structure wizard and click on finish. Then after here we can here truss models is there. No, we can change as a frame mode and by frames. Click on by frames. The length of the and by frames the value was length is 12 and height is I want to change the height 3 meters high I want and width also 12 enough. And next here number of bays along the length and number of bays along the width we can change here, and number of bays along the height of the length we can change. This is the number of bays of the height. This is the one layer I need, so this is the number of lengths by using the here we can see the number of bays along the length like this length, and number of bays along the width means like this. So applied and click on OK. Here close it and click on right S mark and click on OK. It will be like this. And now I want to add for this section for swimming pool. I want to add the underground only. I want to place the swimming pool. For that I want to go for the G plus 5 I said no. So for that select all the beams, Control A, and go for the translate limit y direction at the 1 meter height, one step it go 6 meters height. I need a 6 meters height. So for that in between 6 meters height I want to add it for this section for in between the section I want to add the swimming pool. So click on link steps here and click on OK here. It will be added for this like this. We can see in the front view also like this. Okay, and now we should take a cut section here. Otherwise you best thing option is take a cut section here. Click on cut section and select view window, and we should click on OK here and select this length. Here we get it the length. So we taken the cut section here and go for the 3D view and go for the somewhat zoom in, and which section you need you need the plate cursor for the which area you need which section you need the surface of the swimming pool. We can plan it. First of all go for the fences here. I want to add it for these two lines, these two in between these two. So for that I want to go for the 3D view and next take a node cursor here, and we should add it for this section like this. Okay, here the plate was completely, and here we should okay, like this we should select the points. Okay, we can see in the 3D view. Here we can see here like this. Okay, now I want to add this section. I want to add this section for the staircase. So for that, I want to add it for this section for steps like this to upward direction. So select the beams here and for change the direction here. Okay, we get here somewhat zoom up and we can change the direction here. I want to give here for the landing position for this section. So for that I want to select this particular node and select this node and Control C, Control V at the direction of X direction. Assume 2 meters height I want to, and click on here we get it. And next we should select this section and Control C, Control V. Click on Control C, Control V. We should selecting these 2 points. For the landing position I need the floor points for the section. So for that I want to selecting the 4 node points. So we selected and we should give the y direction. We can select this z direction towards the back side. So back side means it will be giving the negative points. So for that I want to giving the -2 and click on OK here. We get it the points. Now we should go for the plate cursor and select these points. Okay, we get so I want to add these 2 node points for this direction. So I want to Control Z to get it, and these points we should select. Use a node point, select the node point here and Control C, Control V. Here we can see the X direction means this direction. Further I want to give the Z direction. This is towards the back side toward this direction. So I want to give the negative for this section -2. Here we get it and select these points also. For I want to give the z -x direction for this direction. So Control C, Control V. Here we should select the -2 direction. Okay, we get it. See here we get it, this one. And next we should go for the plate cursor here, and next these points we should select. Okay, here the aligning position was completed here. Next we should select these beam for the ending of this play which we added the cursor. We added the swimming pool of this section. So this section I want to add the midpoint for this section. Go for the insert node, add the midpoint here and click on OK. The midpoint was get it. And next go for the plate cursor here and select these plates. Okay, we get it. The landing position was completed, and here we get the staircase also completed. We can see in the 3D view how the LMD get, and we can see here here we can see the whole structure here for the getting here we can see the how the staircase was added here. This is my landing position, this is the swimming pool. Okay, like this we can get it in this video. And next thing was here I want to add go for the again G plus 5 I said. For that I want to go for the front view and select the section here for this section and go for the translate limit by direction. G plus 5 means I want to already given the this is my G and this is my first floor. So for that I want to give the 4 sections, the height of the 3 meters height, 3 meters height, and click on the link steps here and click on OK here. Here we get the G plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we get the G plus 5 direction. And next the geometry was completed for this section. Now we should go for the general. In general, the properties we should give in the general we should give the properties, supports and loads and definition, materials. We should give this section. So for the I want to give the properties for this section. So go for the define here and take a rectangle section here. This is my beam section is 0.35 into 0.35 and added next 0.45. This is the beam section. Okay, we get it 0.35 into 4.0 and we should give the thickness of this section and take a thickness here. We should give the swimming pool 0.23 sorry 0.23 we given and close it. Again we should give the plate thickness here 0.15 for the slab thickness and close it. Okay, and we should take a rectangle section 3.5 for that section. So I want to select it beams parallel to X direction and next select go for the beam, select again beam parallel to Z direction, we get it and assign to selected beams and assign it. It will be assigned. And next thing was here there is rectangle. Again go for the select beam parallel to Z direction, assign the selected beams and assign it. Okay, it will be assigned. Okay, next go for the plate thickness here. This is a 0.23. So assign to view, assign it. Okay, this section was completed and now I want to add this section for this slab thickness. So for that I want to go for the geometry. I did not add this section for the this section was did not add the surface of the slab thickness. So for that I want to add the thickness of the slab thickness. So for that go for the cut section here and selected view. Okay. Okay, we get it. Here we get it and go for the isometric view and go other plates. Okay, we added the plate section here. Select this plate and go for the translate limit. Go for the right direction. It will be direction as 4, height of the 3 meters and click on OK here. It will be applied all. We can see in the 3D view also how the added we can see here. Okay, and here I want to add this for this slab for the different section. So for that escape it and go for whole structure here. This is the display whole structure. You can see the total structure. We already drawn the structure that we can see here. So go for the front view here and go for the cut section and selected view. Click on OK here. Escape. So click on whole structure here, take a cut section, selected view and click on OK here, go for front view. Okay, we get it here, and I think I did not select nicely properly, so select okay, we get it here and go for the 3D view, somewhat zoom in. So I want to add this section for this slab and this area. Go for the node punch here, like this. We can select this. Okay. We can see in the 3D view also. I did not add this section. Zoom in, somewhat zoom in. This section also we should add it up. Plate thickness. Okay. You can see in the 3D view also. Here we can see the total structure was clear. Okay, and okay, go back. Next whole structure is here. Okay. In this video we added the plate thickness and we added the plate thickness for swimming pool. Different thickness was given, and also given the slab for this thickness. I did not assign it. In next video we can assign it how to assign the this section for, okay, now we should assign it for this section. In next video how to add the supports and loads we can see there. And okay, we can assign it here. So for this section, this is the 0.15 by given the slab thicknesses. Go for front view section and next take a plate cursor here and select the plate cursor like this. Okay, we selected. We can see in the isometric view which flare was added here. Okay, and assign to selected plates and assigning. Okay, we can assign it there. We can see in the 3D view also. Okay. Okay, the assign was completed for this section. In next video, how to given the supports and load definitions we can see in next class. Thank you.